Pastry Arts is one of the few professions and career choices that combine passion, creativity, and business with delicious works of art. Today's talented pastry chefs and bakers have a variety of rewarding career opportunities. Most pastry arts professionals find themselves working in fine restaurants, hotels, specialty bakeries, and country clubs. A bakery manager and baker's assistant might find additional employment opportunities with baked good manufacturers or in grocery store bakery departments. From self-employed bakers to specialized pastry chefs, you'll create puff pastries, pies and tarts, soufflés, and breads of all kinds. Your artistic skills will be essential as you flake desserts, decorate cakes and other confections, including chocolate and sugar art decorations that are sure to please the sweetest tooth. Restaurants and bakeries across the country are looking for the right people with the passion, creativity, and professional experience for long-term employment. With training from the Pennsylvania School of Culinary Arts, you could be ready for your pastry arts career in as few as 12 months. At the Pennsylvania School of Culinary Arts, the goal of our pastry arts program is employment. Our pastry arts program combines qualified, experienced instructors with industry-modeled kitchens and a private, fully functional restaurant. You'll get the experience you need in a professional culinary setting with the kinds of utensils and equipment you'd find on your first day of work. Conveniently located in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, the Pennsylvania School of Culinary Arts is a division of YTI Career Institute. Talk with a YTI admissions coordinator today. Tour the campus. Meet with our financial aid department to explore every option that might help fund your training. Let YTI's individual attention, accelerated hands-on training, and graduate employment services give you the confidence to trust us with your career training and your pastry arts career.